This experiment demonstrates the power of vacuum. You would require 2 rubber sanitary plungers. These are used for cleaning drains. Take 2 such plungers and put them mouth to mouth and press them. Now both the plungers would be pressed and locked together. If you hold both the handles and try pulling them, no matter how hard you try, it would be virtually impossible to separate them. You can see this person is trying to separate them, pull them apart very, very tightly. Even if you have two children trying to pull them out, they do not separate. This is because there is vacuum inside. This demonstrates the power of vacuum. Now you take 2 flexi suction cups. They are the ones which are used for attaching to a mirror or glass. Put them mouth to mouth and press them to remove all the air. If you now hold both the ends and try to pull them apart, no matter how hard you try, you will not be able to separate them. This once again demonstrates the power of vacuum. If you give this assembly, these 2 suction cups back to a child, now she's trying very hard to separate them, but it's virtually impossible to pull them apart.